Ningbo Tianhui Machine Company Limited, established in 2007, is a professional OEM, ODM, CNC machining factory engaged in the development, production, sale, and service. We are Siemens' global supplier for 100 kinds of metal parts for high-voltage circuit breakers. Our goods application of pump and valve industry, auto parts, food machinery parts, agricultural machinery parts, construction machinery parts, marine hardware. Our main material is stainless steel, carbon steel, alloy steel, aluminum, iron. We supply CNC machining service of bar or tube material, casting blanks, forging blanks. We manage heat treatment, plating, galvanic coating, anodizing, powder coating with our cooperation factories. Provide one-stop service since drawing, mold design, and development to goods manufacture, heat treatment, surface treatment, inspection, and packing. We are located in Ningbo with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has bought series of advanced manufacturing and inspection equipment, including CNC centers, CMM, image measuring instrument. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001-2015 certification, also comply with 5S management system. In precondition of quality guarantee, we insist in process optimization, reduction of production cost, savings concession to customer, with consistent high praise from customers.